Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to working on this very beautiful stitch. This is the stitch you can use all your spring or summer project. You can use for women tops or blankets or scarf or anything. Only you have to repeat only one row for the whole pattern. Okay, so I am using 3 colors for this pattern. If you want, you can use 2 colors or single color. It will be very nice. Okay, so we can start working on this tutorial. For this project I am using E 3.5 mm hook and then medium 4 ply yarn, make a slip knot. You have to make a chain 26. Actually the beginning chain should be multiples of 7 plus 5. So multiples of 7 is 21 plus 5 26. I have created 26 chains. Now I am going to add one more extra chain. Skip one chain. In the next chain make a single crochet. So you have to start with the single crochet and then skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the fourth chain make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, skip 2 chains. 1, 2. In the third chain make a single crochet. First beginning you skipped 3 chains. Now you are going to skip 2 chains, make a single crochet in the third chain like this, and then again skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the fourth chain make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 chains, 1, 2. In the third chain make a single crochet and then again skip 3 chains. So this is the pattern you can see here. First skip 3 chains, make 3 double crochet, skip 2 chain, make a single crochet. So like that you have to repeat. Skip 3 chains, skip 2 chains. Okay, and then chain 3, you have to make a chain 3. Now you have to skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the fourth chain make a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then skip 2 chains, make a single crochet in the next chain. And then again skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the last chain stitch make a 3 double crochet to finish this round. So started with single crochet, ending with 3 double crochet. That you make sure. This is the pattern for all rows. Okay, so you have to start with single crochet and finish with 3 double crochet. So the first row completed. Now I am going to change the color of the yarn like this. Then take the green color, make a chain 1, turn your work, start with a single crochet. So single crochet in the same stitch. Now skip 2 stitches. In the next first single crochet you have to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then skip the chain 3 here. So you have to make a single crochet in the first double crochet like this, and then again skip 2 stitches. The next single crochet make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip the 3 chains, make a single crochet in the first double. like this, and then skip 2 stitches. The next single crochet, make 3 double crochet, one, 2 and 3, then chain 3, single crochet in the first double, then skip 2 stitches. In the last single crochet you have to make a 3 double crochet. So started with single crochet and finishing with 3 double crochet. So whatever we follow in the row 1 and row 2, you have to follow the same pattern in row 3. So just we have to repeat only one row. So I am going to change the color of the yarn and then make a chain 1 and turn your work, single crochet in the same stitch, like this, and then skip 2 stitches. In the first single crochet, make 3 double crochet and then again chain 3, single crochet. So this is the pattern. So 1, 2, 3, chain 3, single crochet in the first stitch and then again skip 2 stitches. The next single crochet, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3, skip chain 3 and make a single crochet in the next stitch and then skip 2 stitches, make a 3 double crochet in the single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 chains, make a single crochet in the next stitch and then skip 2 stitches and make a 3 double crochet in the last stitch. So you have to repeat row 2 for the whole pattern. So you can see, right, make sure you have to follow the same pattern, no need of confusing. You just note down the row 2 pattern, just to follow the same steps. Okay, so you can use 3 colors, that would be great for this pattern. If you want, you can use single color also. Okay, so you just continue. So I am using cream, green and orange. It looks too good. Okay, you can also use these kind of colors. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This front side and back side both look same. If you like this tutorial, please do a subscribe button and click notification bell icon. I have given my Facebook and Insta link in the description. You can follow me in Facebook and Insta. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply you. You can share this video to all Facebook groups and your friends, okay, and ask them to subscribe. So thank you very much.